Hey friends, it's Jason, your marketing professor, getting some steps in. I do this every hour, trying to drop a few pounds. So it's time for a short lesson. How short? About 500 steps. So today I want to talk to you about the value of your call to action. Very seldom, believe it or not, do we have a call to action in our digital marketing, in our emails, or even in our conversations that we're having with prospects. As human beings, we want to be told that it's okay for us to buy something. Here's an example. I see some really cool stuff in, say, the Apple Store. I play with it, I look at it, I'm like, hey, honey, to my wife, doesn't this look great? It's something I really want. But I want her to say something like, hey, that's cool, or, oh, that'd be fun to have. For example, a couple years ago, I saw an Ember coffee mug. This is the coffee mug where you can use the app to control the temperature of your coffee. And I waited for my wife to say, oh, that's cool, I'd really like that. And I'm thinking, oh, great. This is something that I'm getting the okay to buy. So I got the okay from my wife. But if your call to action on your email or in your conversation or on your website doesn't ask somebody to buy now or click here to download or sign up today, we're not going to do it. Here's another example. I was working with a client who was doing some marketing on Instagram. She's a boutique. She has lots of images of her and her coworkers wearing hats, glasses, and dresses, and they're fantastic looking, perfect for Instagram and for Facebook. But as part of creating those Facebook ads or Instagram ads, the call to action button never said, buy now. And she comes to me, she's perplexed. She goes, I don't understand, nobody's buying anything. And we dove into it a little bit more. Her button didn't say buy now. Instead, it said learn more. And we said, well, this is interesting because people are learning. They're learning a lot. So we needed to make an adjustment. Now, at the time, the Facebook and Instagram algorithm didn't say buy now, so she had to put something in her verbiage that would encourage the potential buyer to actually buy now. So in your emails, ask for that call to action. Are we ready to move forward? Or if you're talking with somebody in person, can I put this in the bag for you? Are you ready to take this home? Ask for the business, have a specific call to action, and that'll help your business grow. There you have it, my friends. I'm hiking back up my driveway, a little less than 500 steps. You have a great day. I'll see ya.